This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to, somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and the most convenient way to do that is by launching Control Panel and holding at the Wi-Fi icon. Once at the Wi-Fi Preferences page, tap at the network that you are currently connected to, assuming that this is the Wi-Fi network you wanted to share. At the network details page, go for the share option, and at the following section that the system will forward you to, you will find the password to the Wi-Fi network and the QR code that can be further scanned and help any other device get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.